So finally, after a lot of controversies and a lot of allegations by late Kim Jong-un's family against the Korean actor Kim Soo-hyun, he finally appeared in public and he finally made his statement. But this press conference of Kim Soo-hyun was no less than a mess because it was such a one-sided conference that none of the reporters who were present there at this conference, they were allowed to ask any questions relating to this controversy or even any other questions from Kim Soo-hyun. And this guy just came there to clarify his side of the story. And did he clarified all the allegations that were made by Kim Se-ron's family, that they tortured her mentally, they harassed her, they ruined her career, he destroyed her life, he dated when she was minor? Well, no. This man just clarified one thing, that yes, he dated Kim Se-ron, which he has previously denied that he has never dated, but now he says that yes, he has dated Kim Se-ron, but only when she was a major, and that too for just a year, and they were separated since last 4 5 years. And the rest of the conference went on in emphasizing this thing that he never dated Kim Se-ron when she was a minor. But after that, Kim Se-hyun makes such statements that had again put him under fire. Basically, Kim Soo-hyun in this conference tells the media that he is going to sue Kim Se-ron's family and this aunt as well as that Garo Sero YouTuber who has ruined his career. And then his legal team tells the media that they have filed a defamation case of worth $8 million. And after that, Kim Soo-hyun starts shedding tears of a crocodile. And when one of the female reporters asked him about when he met Kim Se-ron, he just stands up from there and leaves the conference, that too while crying. And his reels are going so much viral on all the social media platforms where he could be seen crying and people are empathizing with him. But this is just a minority because majority of the people are pointing out that Kim Soo-hyun is a narcissist who just came forward to clarify his side, and he didn't even clarify it completely. And moreover, he is suing the bereaved family. That too is so disgusting because first they mentally harassed Kim Se-ron for the money, and now they are doing the same thing with the family just to compel them that they should stop ruining him. And moreover, I also personally think that this all the crying drama that he cried in the conference, it was just an acting because he is an actor, bro. And if his tears were not fake and they were real, then I think the only reason he was crying for was because his acting career is over. He's totally destroyed, and he wasn't crying for Kim Se-ron or any of his actions. And one more thing that looked very weird to me regarding Kim Soo-hyun's this press conference, bro, he looked, all this suited booted, as if he has come on a K-drama set, as if he's there to shoot a scene for his K-drama. And whatever he said, it all looks like acting as if it's a scene from a K-drama. Bro, look at his face. Does he looks like any person who is in depression since last few days? Does he looks like a person who's been mentally tortured by media or by the people on the internet? No, he's done makeup, he's done his hair, he looks so good. This man can't fool people anymore. This man has no empathy and he's such a narcissist. So let me know what do you think about this whole matter, and do you think that Kim Soo-hyun is right or